Welcome back, traders. Trading the Flux Power Zone. As you can see here, we got all green. This is my other, this is Olander's platform here. You got the Aussie US dollar, 22 pips. You got the JPY, 31 pips. You got the GBP NZD, 32 pips. Another GBP NZD, 47 pips. New Zealand US dollar, 29 pips. And the US dollar Canadian, 23 pips. It was actually up more than that. It just hit the daily open line and it started dropping. There you go, traders. The Flux Power Zone going in. Time cycle markers. All right, I'm out. Stay profitable. Back, traders. Trading the Great British Pound New Zealand dollar. We're setting up on the power zone for a short opportunity on the pound New Zealand. Okay, it's 11:59. A white line's going to jump over here at 12 o'clock, and then we're going to start taking short trades on this pair until we get to, there's a pullback here, and another pullback. There we go. There we go, traders. Now I'm going to start taking short trades on the pound New Zealand. This is what the chart looks like. So we're going to start taking short trades right now. I'm going to pause the video because I got more accounts to take shorts on. All right, traders. We'll update you back on this trade. I'm out. Stay profitable. Welcome back, traders. Trading the Great British Pound New Zealand dollar. As you can see here, Great British Pound New Zealand dollar dropped due to the power zone. Also, I took a long trade on the New Zealand US dollar right down here, traders. It's actually still going up. It looks like it may close above the daily open line. Let's see what happens with that. Also, we took the Canadian dollar. Well, the Canadian dollar hit the daily open line and just dropped. So I think I'm maybe negative a couple of pips now. So right now we're at the New Zealand dollar, which is going to drop. So we are going to exit the trade, traders. We're going to exit the New Zealand US dollar. There was the up move right here that I got in. Zip up. It's going to pull back a little bit and still go up more, but I'm going to close out because I don't want a nasty whipsaw. All right, so we're going to close out on the New Zealand US dollar here. I'm going to take it, even though it's still going up, but the power zone has it a reversal. So I don't need a sharp pullback. I could always get back in later on. All right, so I'm going to have to close all my New Zealand trades. And here's the pound. Now the pound New Zealand, it's still got some more downward movement. You got a slight pullback here, and then it's going to drop again, and it's going to go consolidate, drop. Overall, it's going to go down. But again, I'm going to close out because I got a lot of accounts to close out. It's not just this one. It's quite a few private funds. So by the time I trade it, you could get a reversal. All right, traders. So there was the charts right there. As you can see, the GBP NZD going down some more. How's the Euro Australian? Really not doing anything. These are the big movers. Was the New Zealand, the pound New Zealand. See, the Euro New Zealand didn't even go anywhere. And also, let me point out too, on the pound New Zealand, I have over here my daily current day range. We already hit the current day range at 157. I believe it was, let's see, 146 for the average daily trading range. So it exceeded that as well. So that also too had a short trade coming up. All right, traders. Pound Aussie, I don't think it moved. Really, not really. But the Canadian dollar, as you can see, here's the daily open line right here. Actually, let me go to my other Canadian dollar. Where are we? Should have two of them right here. Right here. what happened was, traders, this thing pulled right, it went down. I was up quite a few pips, and then it reversed, hit this, came back, hit the daily open line again, and then we dropped. So we may be going lower on the Canadian dollar. So we shall see. I'll check the power zone later on tonight, because we could be going down here. But we already exceeded the daily trading range. We're at 86 pips for the day. All right, so I'm expecting, that's why I actually bought the pair as well, with a combination of the power zone itself. All right, so we may be going down here to 3207. So we shall see. All right, traders, so that's it. The Flux power zone with the time signals coming right in there, traders. On these, on the pound New Zealand and the, oh, also the JPY. I took a short on the pound JPY. It's still in that trade as well. Yeah, we're on the pound JPY short. All right, traders, so I'll update you back on these trades. I'm out. Stay profitable. Welcome back, traders. Here's the chart, GBP/NZD. Now, this trade was on the power zone in my video. This signal is a 5-day old signal. All right, and you see it got a huge drop to the south. I took the trade and wound up exiting, and we made a ton of pips on this. Also, the New Zealand US dollar as well. Same deal. Chart, the power zone's coming in on a downward slope. I said it's going to go down, and we pulled back a little bit, dipped again. The time came in right here, and boom, we just shot up to the north. And vice versa for the pound New Zealand. This one, it bounced around a little bit. We took the trade, it bounced here, pulled up a little bit more, and then dropped like a bomb, as you could see here. Again, the power zone, and it's just phenomenal software for the trading times. Welcome back, traders. Here's the indicator that I use on my charts to mark up my NinjaTrader charts. It's a free indicator. I forgot to include that in my video last week. And this is the toolbar right here. It's so much easier to use this toolbar versus, using the NinjaTrader, the drop down here, to do, your chart marking when you have them right here. Okay, everything is right there. So I mark my charts up 1, 2, 3, and it saves a lot of time. Okay, so this is the website. They got other free indicators as well. And here's the free drawing one is right here. And it has like a YouTube video. And you can install it on your charts. And they got a couple of free price chart. Just check it out. That's what I use. I just basically use the drawing one. And they do have free wrinkle bars as well. Okay, so that's the website right here, and you just click on free, and this pops up. You got bar status, bid and ask display, price ticker, so forth and so on. All right, traders, so now I'm going to update you with the Forex market preview. All right, stay profitable, and let's get them again this week. All right, I'm out. Welcome back, traders. Getting ready for another trading week. Hope everyone had a great holiday. And let's get into it. Had another profitable week again with the Flux Power Zone. And so let's get it started with a pound Australian dollar. Coming in at 146 pips on a daily trading range. So we're coming in here on Sunday. I'm looking for my first move on this pair is going to be 8 p.m. New York time to the north up until about 4 a.m. in the morning. Then we're going to exit the trade and just wait. Looks like it's going to go down, traders, but who knows how hard it's going to go down. So I'm just going to wait, exit the trade, and then look for possibly an entry here at 1900 one Monday. And then another entry here at 4 a.m. on Tuesday. Okay, and then it shoots up here till 12 o'clock. Probably exit the trade because from here it looks like sideways, up, down, up, down, up, and then if we finally go down here, then I'll be looking for a short trade opportunity at 1500 on Wednesday to the south until 11 a.m. on Thursday, and then I'm done with this pair because this right here, I don't want to be involved. It just looks like sideways. All right, so I'm done with the pound Aussie. So next up is going to be the pound New Zealand, coming in at 135 DTR. And my first trade on this pair is going to be on Monday at 1700 on Monday. Okay, it's going to go up and it's going to slightly pull back here at 2300, but it looks like it's continuing on its way up. And it's real choppy. I mean, look at this. Up, down, up, down, up, but it looks like it's eventually going up. And then we're going to peak out here for a short, big time, 1500 Wednesday to the south. So just got to watch out for this. This is real nasty right here. So depending on how the trend is going, because this is pretty nasty. From here, it's probably going to, require a lot of thick skin if you're going to take this long. Or if you just want to wait for the short opportunity, it's going to be on Wednesday at 1500. And it looks like it goes to the south. And then 1900 on Thursday. It looks like it's just going to pull back. Not, let's see, how many hours is that? 19. And it's about 5 hours. And then it rolls right back over to go to the south. All right, so it's not that many trades on the pound New Zealand as well. So next up is going to be the, I don't think, you know what? It's missing. I knew something was missing. Oh, no, it isn't. Here it is. It's the pound JPY. Okay, that pair's coming in. It's going to go up when the market opens. So that's going to go up, and then a short opportunity is going to come here at 2 a.m. in the morning. So this is a pretty long trade. So I'll possibly make some good pips with this and get out at about 2 o'clock, 1:30, 2 o'clock in the morning, and then look for a reverse my position for a short. And it looks like it just keeps going down until another 4 a.m. in the morning, and then it looks like a whipsaw action here. 4 a.m. up, so maybe I might want to exit before then. Up, and then pull right back down, then it goes sideways, and it drops a little lower, double bottom, and then on Wednesday, got two entries here. You got one at 2100. You got an entry here at 1 a.m. in the morning to the north. Chop around, go up, peak out 10 a.m. Go sideways, lower high, and then it drops again at 1400. Okay, and then into Wednesday, it looks like it's going to go up. Brutal. And then back down at 3 a.m. till 6 a.m. That's like 2 hours. Yeah, this is pretty brutal, traders. Thursday, a little conflicting. Look like it's still going down. Then yeah, this is a little conflicting on this one. This is a tough one. So maybe I might just favor shorts towards the end of the week. Right here, 12 p.m. short opportunity, and then you got another short opportunity at 12 a.m. on Friday to the south. Yeah, it's a little tough towards the end of the week on this pair. All right, so that's the pound JPY. Okay, next up is going to be the Euro Australian. This is Euro Aussie at 104. This one I saw only a couple of trades really that I even want to take. Right here, looks like when the market opens, it's going to go sideways and then it's going to go up at 2100, but it's not going to go up that much. And then it's gonna peak out here at 4 a.m. in the morning. So maybe the trade might be when the market opens, look at all sideways, just go straight across. Yeah, so 2100 till maybe 2 a.m. in the morning. Let's move this over 2 a.m. in the morning, and then it just goes sideways. Traders, just look. The histogram's not doing anything. Then it goes up a little bit. So that's my only trade until Wednesday comes at 1600. Then we go down to the south. There's a pullback here at 4 a.m. and then we go, and we still wind up going down, and then that's it. And then we're gonna start going up on Thursday. So I got like 2 trades on this pair for the whole week. Oh my goodness. All right. Yeah. Coming in 1, exit. Yeah, 2 trades on the Euro Aussie all week. That's pretty brutal. Okay, next up is going to be the Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand's coming in here. This one's sideways. This one's sideways. Sunday coming in. It looks like it's going to go up. Then at 2 a.m. in the morning, looks like it's going to, but it's just going sideways. So maybe I'll take the up move when the market opens until 1 a.m. and see what the pip count is. 2 a.m. exit, and then wait for this signal at 1900 on Monday for a long move up on the Euro New Zealand until Wednesday at 1600, and then reverse my position to go for a short. And I think, yeah, because it's sideways, goes for a short, and then at 1300 there's an entry for a long, and 1900 for a long on Thursday into Friday, and then we roll over, and then 5 a.m. in the morning looks like we're going down. Okay, so we've got more trades on the Euro New Zealand. Next up, the US dollar JP or RSI. Okay, this pair is coming in sideways on Sunday, and then my first trade is going to be on this one. It's going to be 2 a.m. in the morning for a short. 2 a.m. in the morning for a short, and then we just keep going down, traders. Then another short, 7 a.m. Accelerate the move down to the south, and then we're going to pull back at 2100, so I'll exit. Maybe take a buy trade, or let's see, yeah, it may be safe enough to take a buy trade, and then reverse my position for a short at 1400, and we're going down until 2200. This I'm going to put a less of a position on. Okay, and then 2200 look like, now this one we could ride it out because it's just going up. You can see it waving up, up, up until we get to Thursday at 2200, and then we're looking for a down move. All right, so that is the US dollar JPY BTR 86 pips. Okay, next up is going to be the pound US dollar. The pound US dollar is going to be coming in. It's going to go up. So I'll be looking for an up move on the pound US when we come in until it looks like it's just going to go up all week if you can endure some of these pullbacks. Here's another entry on 4 a.m. on Tuesday, and sideways, pulls back, and then boom, we shoot up on Wednesday at 1500, and then that's it, traders. We max out here on Wednesday going into Thursday for a short. Okay, and then Friday I'm not going to trade it because it looks sideways. All right, so that is the Great British Pound US dollar. All right, I also may trade this on the Trend Stalker Elite. We shall see. All right, traders, so that's the pound US. Next up is going to be the US dollar Canadian, aka the cash machine. Where is the cash machine? Right here. All right, here's the cash machine, and it don't look that great this week. Um, let's see, we're coming in on Sunday. We're going to be looking for a down move on the Canadian dollar at 2,300 until 1,700 on Monday. Then I'm going to look for an up move. It's going to pull back slightly until there's another buy opportunity here at 4 a.m. in the morning. And it just seems like it's continuing to go up to the north until Tuesday at 2 a.m. in the morning. And then we're going to go down, go sideways, and drop at, what time is that? That is 9 a.m. They're going to drop to 11 and pull right back up for the nasty ridiculousness, and then drop again at 1,500. Okay, so it's going to be some real nasty stuff in this zone here. All right, so be aware of it. Coming in at 9 a.m. on Wednesday, drops to 11, pulls back from 11 till 1,500, which is about, and then it drops again. So just be aware of this, traders. So that'll be pretty nasty. That's when you get those big giant candles. It goes up one way, down. So just be aware of it. And then we're going to bottom out here, 2,300. We're going to go to the north. We got a couple of buy opportunities. You got 3 buy opportunities here, 2,200, 4 a.m. in the morning, and 9 o'clock on Thursday. Okay, and then from there it's crapshoot. I'm not even going to bother with it on Friday because I don't see anything. Okay, unless I'm using trend stalk or a lead or some technical, but I don't see anything here on Friday. All right, traders. Next up is going to be the Aussie Canadian. I added the Aussie Canadian to the power zone, so we'll see how we deal with it. So let's see. Sunday, we're coming in here and look for an up move coming at 1,700 right here. 1,700, and it's gonna go up, and then it looks like it's gonna peak out. It's gonna go right back down. It's gonna go right back down at 2,100 until, let's see. I don't know if this is lower than this. This is lower. So right here, 1,700 on Monday. It's gonna go back up. And it's just going to go sideways. Look like it's going up, 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 up. Then we're going to bottom out here on Wednesday. Pull this down a little bit. Wednesday right here, I look for an up move at 11 a.m. in the morning for an up move on the Aussie Canadian. And then that'll be it for me. I'll just take that, up move and just see if I can hold that position up. Make a decent amount of pips and just exit. Exit probably at 1,800 because it's going to go sideways from there. Or you can exit on this first dip at 1,600 before it dips. It's going to pull right back, then it's going to go sideways until Friday. All right, that is the Aussie Canadian. Okay, next up is the Aussie US dollar. It's coming in here, 60. No, it's actually 50. No, I'm right, 62 pips trading range. Oh, you know what? I'm wrong. It's 40. I got it mixed up with the Aussie Canadian. Hold on, trader. This was trading. It's 48 pips. Oh, it's right before 48. Okay, 48 pips. And we're coming in on Sunday. Going to dip down, so my first buy opportunity is going to be here at 1,700. It's going to go up until 2,100. Maybe I may not even take that because I don't think it's not enough time and probably not enough volume to take that, especially coming up a holiday. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably negate this trade here and not take it. It's really not enough time. 1900, 1700 comes in, market opens, and then it's only going to go up until 9, looks like maybe 9 o'clock, and then it's just going to go back 9 p.m. and then just work its way right back down until 1700 on Monday. So this may be the better trade here from 2100. And take the retracement back down because it's really not. Looks like it's really not going anywhere until Wednesday. It's right here on Monday at 1700. It's going to go up, but it's just barely any kind of a slope. You know what I mean? And then, if anything, it's going to go down on Wednesday until 11 o'clock. So this down move would be 2 a.m. in the morning until, wow, 11 o'clock. So this going to be a short here. And then just take a long trade here at 11 a.m. and then it should be going to the north. So we shall see. I see some sort of pullback here, but it still looks like it's going up. There's no entry on the histogram here at 4 a.m. in the morning. That is the Aussie US dollar. Not too clear, looks sideways, but it looks like overall for the week it's going to go up. But we got a lot of back and forth movement here until you get to Wednesday. All right, traders, next up is going to be the New Zealand US dollar. And that's coming in at 48 pips as well. First trade on this one for me is going to be at 8 p.m. on Monday. Nothing. Actually, you know, wrong. Sorry, traders. It's going to be on Sunday. It's going to go up. It's going to go up. You could take it when the market opens, and you're going to get a pullback here at 20, and which is 8 p.m. New York time on Sunday. It's going to pull right back for 2,200, and then make a long trade here until 8 p.m. again, 20 GMT. And then we're going to start going down or sideways. Yeah, it's going to go down pretty much until Wednesday, and then it's going to rifle right back up at 1,500, and then we're going to the north. Until Thursday, probably exit the trade at 1,300 on Thursday, and it looks like we're going to work our way down until 1,700, pull back down a little bit. This is going to bottom out here 2 a.m. in the morning on Friday, and then we're going to start going up. And that's it. That's the market preview, traders. So I'm going to update you. I totally forgot to show you where I got this free indicator for the Ninja Trader chart, so you can mark it up. So you have the toolbar here free. So a couple other free stuff, you can check it out. All right, traders. So any information, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit me up if you need more information. It's Back to the Future Trading, which I use the Power Zone, and I also use my education from Market Trading Institute to also execute some of these trades on the MT4 platform and the Ninja Trader platform. All right, traders, so I'm out. Stay profitable. Have a great week, and I'll update you with some of that other stuff that I was talking about. All right, I'm out. Deuces.